This week, we're going to be building hexagon display shelves. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'd love to have you subscribe, so make sure to go hit that subscribe button. But for all of you guys returning to the channel, you know that I've been remodeling my room. So this week I decided to make some cool display shelves to put up because I don't have anywhere to put some of my cool stuff, like some 3D prints and props and things like that. So I decided to make some shelves. I could have gone with just normal floating shelves, but people have done a ton of those, and personally I don't like them as much. They're just kind of plain, and so I was like, hey, why not make some floating hexagon shelves? So let's take a look at how I made mine. I started out by measuring 10-inch lengths of 1x6, and I cut those with 30-degree cuts at either end, and I repeated this process 6 times per shelf. To secure my boards together, I just used wood glue, and I used masking tape on the ends to kind of hold them together while I brad nailed them in place. Then I used DAP plastic wood filler to fill in all of the gaps. The wood that I used was not perfect, so it did leave some gaps, and I wanted to fill those in before I sanded and painted. Using my orbital sander, I just kind of gave the whole thing a quick sanding, and I rounded over all of the corners where the boards met. Then I used some leftover baseboard paint to go ahead and give the shelves a couple of coats of paint. To hang my shelves, I just used these D-ring hangers, and I measured an even spacing and attached them to the back of the shelves. Then I used the same spacing on the walls to insert a couple of screws, and then I hung the shelves up by the D-rings. And they were done. I'm really happy with the way these turned out. And that was pretty much it. So like you guys saw, pretty simple project, not difficult. If you guys want to try to make your own, you definitely should. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to go hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you guys don't miss out on awesome new videos every single week. And I will see you guys next week.